Hey guys, Shane here from Organix Agency. So this is just a quick video to walk you through some of the results we've been able to get for our clients. So for this particular client, they're in the waste management industry. So I'm not going to really like mention the exact name or whatnot, but they're in California, and we essentially rebuilt their website. Their website was on a different platform, I believe it was Wix, and basically improved their website, got more pages, and also took care of their Google My Business. So in this case, as you can see, this was like in September sometime. Uh, right, they were ranking already like pretty well. It does go back quite a bit, and then now if you look over here, just a minute. So just needed to like blur out some information there. So as you can see, this is in January. We're right now recording this in January, and their rankings is has slightly increased. Now it's good that they're maintaining their ranking because we did have like a large competitor come into the area, so this is pretty good. And besides this, we also work on a website, right? So on the website, we've been seeing an increase in the amount of like organic traffic and keywords that they're ranking for. I can't show too much information here, but they are on the up in terms of like the amount of like traffic they're getting in the area. And their Google My Business is pulling in calls on a regular from repeat customers, but also new customers. And each customer is worth anywhere from like 200 to like a couple $1,000. So this is pretty good for their business. That's it, just a quick short video. Basically, if you'd like us to like have a look, or for me to have a look at your website or Google My Business and give you my feedback about it, just send me a message, drop a comment somewhere, or reach out to us at organicsagency.com, and I'll be happy to record a video for you as long as I have time, of course, because I do get a ton of these requests on a regular basis, sometimes more than 10, and it just takes up a lot of time. So but just reach out and I'll get back to you. I'll let you know how quick I can get that video over to you, and based on that, you can decide whether you want to work with us or whether you want to execute what I say in the video on your own, because I do give actionable tips, things that you can actually implement on your own, or you can probably like hire someone or get someone to do it for you. All right, cheers.